Hi, mathematicians! So today we're going to be exploring division, which we just read a book about. It's called The Cookie Fiasco, and that book was all about four friends who had a problem. They couldn't divide their cookies into equal parts so that everybody had the same amount of cookie. They did solve their problem in the end, but that book is a perfect real-life example of what division means. It means starting with something that's a total and then dividing that total into equal groups. I've got a Minds On activity for us to get ready today. So on my screen, you're going to notice that we have some money and we have our first question down below. Okay. The question says, suppose two people were sharing this money equally. How much money would each person get? And then it asks us to write a division sentence. Well, this is new for us, so let's walk through it. In order for us to divide this money equally, we need to know how much is here. So let's count. Okay, $5 plus $5 is $10. And let's count our loonies now. They're worth $1 each, so we're at $10. Let's continue counting by ones. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I'm just going to write that down over here. So I have $16 in total. Okay. We have to share $16 equally. Okay, so we're going to have to write a division sentence for that. What we're going to do is we're going to start with this total number here, and that's where we start with our division sentence. 16, and here's the divided by symbol. It's a straight line with a dot on the top and a dot on the bottom. 16 divided by, well, we're trying to divide it equally between two people. So we're going to say 16 divided by 2, and then we have to figure out if we took that $16 and we divided it equally between two people, how much would they get each? All right. Well, I'm going to use what I have. I have these money props right here, so I'm going to say person 1 is getting this one, and person 2 is getting this one. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 loonies. So I know that person 1 can take these 3, and person 2, they can take these 3, and that would be equal, right? Because each person is getting one $5 bill and 3 loonies. But how much is that? This is 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? So if we take $16 and we divide that equally into two groups, or to two people, they're each going to get $8. All right, let's try one more. Uh-oh. Now we have to take the same amount of money, and it says, suppose 4 people were sharing this money equally. So they're going to share the $16, but this time, instead of sharing it between 2 people, we're sharing it between 4. How much money would each person get? Okay, so I know we're starting with 16. So I'm going to write that here. And this time we're not dividing it with 2 people. We're dividing it by 4 people, right? We're going to put it into 4 equal groups so we know how much each person gets. And we have to figure out, what will they get? All right, I'm going to switch colors. Now, because this money doesn't divide very easily into 4 from just using the visual, I'm going to use a different strategy down here. I'm going to count 4 groups. I'm going to count up to 16, like this. Here's person 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to keep dividing that money out into 4 groups equally. I'm at 4. I've got to get all $16 handed out. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm almost there. 13, 14, 15, and 16. So I've taken my $16 and I've divided those dollars equally into 4 people's pockets, or 4 groups, or to 4 people, I should say. So if I take 16 and I divide that $16 into 4, or between 4 people, each person's getting how much? If you said $4, you're absolutely correct. I hope this Minds On was helpful. I look forward to doing some more division with you. Bye-bye.